Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K_lifestyle on TikTok, and 24K on Twitter. Today we're looking at the Andobil 3x Stability Life Series iPhone 14 Pro Max case. This is the clear version. It still provides all the side corner protection, top protection, and the protection for the camera cluster. And what's really cool about this is it's MagSafe compatible, and this is one of the only cases I've ever seen with a magnetic ring that extends out from the case. So you can have it in landscape mode, pretty much at any angle you want. And you can turn this so you can have this in portrait mode as well. That's really great. If you want to just take a look at your content from TikTok or Instagram, you can just scroll right through like that, no problem, and it's on the desk. And it's really neat that this is magnetic, and we'll show you how that works. So because the ring is magnetic, it's sticking right here, and it's completely hands-free. So it's very easy to film anything in the kitchen, or if you're doing makeup tutorials in the restroom, bathroom, you can use this, and it goes at any angle like that, and it will hold your phone, and it's sturdy, and it's magnetic. So you can do it like that, and then you can also do it in vertical format as well. And then you just attach it, and then you can extend it out. This also comes with this handy wipe, so you can clean this off because it's clear. They also have a semi-clear case as well. This piece that comes out can be turned in any direction, 360 degrees. This is from Andobil, and this is for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.